Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a landing page like this using shadcn UI blocks. So we have seen in the previous video how to add header, footer and the content area. So this was our application that we have done, and now what we are going to do is we are going to create a home page that is using different blocks of shadcn. So let's get started and let's go to the code immediately, and you can see that my you can see that I have a page and there is a home written here and there is nothing in the home page. Okay, and this is my layout. This is my layout file. The children will show uh, all the blocks inside it. So home will appear over here. Okay, so now what we are going to do is we are going to add a layout. So first what we are going to search for hero layout. So I have this page over here where I can search shadcn components. So I'm going to say hero. So this will give me the appropriate components. Okay, you can see this components have been loaded over here, and the one which I'm going to take is this hero 47. So I'm going to copy this command and I'm going to paste this command in my application. So I'm going to open my React apps customer portal app, and I'm going to open a git bash here, and I'm going to run this command over here now. Okay, so we are going to use this command. Okay, by the way, I'm going to give you the link of this so you can search for the components and install it. So these are some blocks that are useful. Okay, and so we are going to include these blocks. Okay, we are going to install this block, and so what I'll do, I'll remove this and I'll just put template tags here. And then I'm going to import the component that I have installed. You can go ahead and see the component that will come in the, it will come uh, into the components directory. So now import, okay, import hero 47 from this component. And now I'm going to use this component over here as it is. So I'm going to use this. Okay. Now if I reopen my page and see, and we can see that we have one block that is put inside our home component. Okay, so once we do this, we need to, let's add the other blocks as well. Okay, next we will add the feature blocks. So I'll just type features. So you can type what you need, and this will give the appropriate components that are matching your query. So you can type I want a block of a content block or something. Still it will give this feature block, so it will match and give you the blocks. So here I'm going to use feature 47. So I'm going to use this feature. So I'm going to copy the command. Okay, you can also go to the official website over here. There is a live preview. So I'm going to copy the command itself, and I'm going to install this over here, and this will take some time and then it will be installed. So we can see if the component comes into this. So we will say once the component is loaded, so you can see that feature 43 is loaded. Now we can import feature 43 from this. Okay. And let's include this component over here. So, okay, so once I included this, so if I go ahead and check this now, so we can see that so you can see that all of my blocks have been installed. Okay, these two blocks have been installed now. Now next what we are going to do is install the third block. So we can install this feature 197 now. Let's copy this. This is the block that we need to install and let's run this command. Uh, okay, so let's paste this over here and it will give us this feature 197. So we are going to include this block as well after this. Okay, we can see that the block is installed and now if we go to the code, we can use this feature 197 just below this. So 197. So I need to import this. Import feature 197 and this will be loaded now. Feature 197. I don't know why I'm still getting this error. It should go because we already imported this. If you see this now, we can see that this feature is also included in the code. Next is next we are going to install this. So we'll copy the command of this and we'll again uh, install this feature. Okay, so this will take some time. Okay, it is installed and now if we load this page, we can also import this. Now import feature, feature 166. Okay, and then we can use this here. Okay, we have used this. And now we can see that if we go to layout, then we will be able to see this feature as well that is come just below this. Okay, so we have all of this and now the next part is to just add an CTA button. So I'm going to check CTA component here. So CTA, so this will list me some components of CTA. So you can see I'm going to use this CTA. So I'm going to copy this command and I'm going to install it. So now what we are going to do is once this is done, let's install the CTA button, import PTA 10 from this, and then we can add this over here. Okay, and then the CTA button will also exist now in the application. So to reduce the spacing, what we are going to do is we are just going to the code and if we go to CTA, we'll just say this as 5 PL5. Then also over here, we need to reduce the uh, spacing, the vertical alignment that is 5. Then also here, I'm going to put this 5. To put this as 5 over here. So everything looks like clean and tidy. And then if we go over here, we are just going to put 5 over here. Okay, and Hero 47 will also get the 5. So this also will put it as 5. Okay, and now we'll also put this as 5 here. So now if I load this application, now you can see that there is enough spacing between the blocks and everything looks clean. So And also it is responsive. So if I make it responsive now, you can see that the blocks have been responsive. So I will put the link of this code in the description. So also the tool name into the description, so you can play with it and create your own layout. So thanks for watching, guys.